brilliant idea of calculating everything that I have on my desktop. My desktop itself, the computer, the PC, the monitor, the audio equipment, all of it. And I wanted to see exactly how much I got to. It turns out it's over 8,000, so I might have a spending problem. List right here. All right, desktop. Let's start with the desk. $140 from IKEA. Pretty good desk, pretty solidly built. It handled a move and stuff like that. Then we got the monitor, which is actually an LG something PQ, something complicated, ultra wide 34-inch monitor. And that monitor is actually running me about $450. Then the monitor stand was bamboo, and that was about $40. The keyboard is actually a Razer Tournament Edition Black Widow, runs about $110. Then I actually have two mice. I have a Zowie FK2, I think it is. That's about $60, and then for productivity, I have a G900 from Logitech. That's about $110 right now. Got a total of 4 record holders holding up my speakers. The record holders ran me about $60. Then I got my 2 lights in the background, and those ran me about $40. I couldn't find a link, but I did buy them at Target, so there's that. And then I got my Xbox controller at $60. It's the Windows edition. Then my MIDI keyboard, which is about $100. To wrap up the miscellaneous desktop stuff, I got a play pause Bluetooth for my phone, and that was about $10. Everything right there is going to total up to about $1,170. Well, let's move on down to my PC. Now this is where a big chunk of that change went. My case is actually a 600C Corsair Carbide case. It's about $160. I've got a 4790K CPU. I ran about $370, and then I have an Asus 980 Ti Strix Edition, which when bought new was about $815. Got an Asus motherboard. I can't remember the model name right now, but I'll link it in the description down below. That was about $150. I have an H100i cooler. That was about $110. And to get the sweet Wi-Fi signal that I get, I got a TP-Link AC 1900. That ran me about $80. Got an NZXT Hue, which costs about $56, an 850 watt power supply, which was $160. I got 3 hard drives. I got an SSD that's 500 gigabytes. That was about $160. 1 terabyte SSHD, which is a solid state hybrid drive for gaming, and that was about $70. 5 terabyte mass storage, which is $160. And that whole PC cost me about $2,267. Then for audio, my most expensive set of purchases that I've bought start off with my headphone stand, which costs about $30. My headphone anchor, which actually holds 2 headphones down at the bottom of the desk, about $10. My speakers were together about $368. My AirPods were $160. And I have another set of in-ear headphones called RHA T20Is, and those are about $215 right now. Highly recommend those if you like bass. I've got some Brainwaves pads for my M40Xs, and those were about $40. Then my Superlux 668Bs, which are also $40. Then I got the M40Xs themselves, which were about $100. The HT600s, which are about $290. The M1060s, which were about $300. The receiver, which was $130. And the AudioQuest Nighthawks, which were my most expensive audio purchase that I currently have at $700, totaling about $2,403. Then last category is my camera. My camera is a Canon 70D, what's being filmed on right now, with the 35mm f2 lens, which was about $550 for the lens, and then another $750 for the camera mod. I also have a 50mm f1.8, which is about $125, and a 10 to 18mm f4.5 to 5.6 at about $280. That stuff was all totaled about $1,705. Now we add it all up, and the total is about $7,545. And if you add any percentage of sales tax to that, you are well over $8,000. If you guys have an ultimate setup that you want to send to me, go ahead and click the link in the description to find out how to send me that, and it can get featured on my channel. Until next time, my name is Joshua Valor, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good one.